All right, hello. My name is Caleb Fox. I'm the Director of Product Management for ClimateMaster. And today I would like to talk about our new Tranquility SL series. This is a horizontal model available in 6,000 to 15,000 BTUs. That's half ton through 1 1/4 ton. What makes the SL series unique besides any other water source heat pumps on the market is its height. As you can see here, this model is available in a 9-inch height. This is the lowest height water source heat pump on the market, and it can be installed in mechanical ceiling spaces as low as 12 inches. So that'd be 9 inches for the unit and then 3 inches for the P-trap outside of it. Beyond that, we took a fundamentally different approach to our design in this water source heat pump. And what I mean by that is you look at a traditional horizontal unit. We'll take a piece of sheet metal and build everything in the unit up above this base pan unit. Where the SL series differs in its design is we created a frame construction design, and then we attach panels to that frame and the parts to that frame. So I'd like to show you something today. What we have here is this is at the top of the unit, but the unique features of the SL series is it's fully bottom serviceable. So if we turn the unit right here, this is what the unit looks like from the bottom. So if we have a service tech who went to go look at this unit, and this is, remember, hanging in the ceiling, so he would be looking up at this unit, all of these access panels can be removed. And so you get full access to the control section of the product, to the refrigeration section of the product, and to the water side of the product. Now, several key features that we have in here is our variable flow modulating water valve. ClimateMaster is the only water source heat pump manufacturer with that. We have standard strainers for the water side, and the reason we have that is because we have small brazed plate heat exchangers in here. So what this product does, not only is it short and low height, but it's also very high efficient, because not only are we using brazed plate heat exchangers, which are not traditionally used in commercial packaged units, but we also have constant torque EC blower motors and standard stainless steel drain pans. So several other features I'd like to talk about is this constant torque fan motor assembly can actually slide out from the bottom of the unit. So if you were to want to work on the fan motor, it would slide down after you remove a safety latch right here. Then it has a service rail where you can work on the unit. If you need to pull the assembly out, you can fully pull that assembly out, put it on the table, work on it, reinstall. The drain pan can actually be fully accessed and pulled out of the unit from the bottom of it. By the way, we did receive the patent on this, so this is patented technology for this design. The other thing is this right here is a sound attenuator box. Normally you would see our horizontal units have the blower motor all the way to the end of the product. This sound attenuator box could be applied as a supply air plenum, but between the sound attenuator box and the frame for the product, this is the quietest water source heat pump that ClimateMaster has ever developed and tested. So between the size, the features, the service accessibility, and the efficiency, this product stands alone for ClimateMaster, helps ClimateMaster stand out as a leader in horizontal water source heat pumps.